Looking old na ba ang sasakyan mo? No more shine na? Worry no more. All it takes is a good cleaning to make your car look new again. We spend a lot of time using our cars. Minsan, wala nang time maglinis. If you only have a few minutes to get your car looking like new, all you need are the best quality products. Mac Car Care Solutions will give the best results you can get. Best, quality, and performance. If you want a clean, shining, preserved paint finish and has an excellent cleansing action, Mac Premium Shampoo is for you. Dilute enough amount of shampoo. Wash and clean the body of the car using a sponge or wash mitt. Be sure to rinse thoroughly afterwards using chamois or fast dry cloth. New and improved formula with hydrophobic effect. Excellent for finish or polish that keeps a deep gloss look on your car. Take it from Quick Detailing Wax. Rinse and dry the vehicle thoroughly. Apply Mac Car Care Solutions Quick Detailing Wax with the use of foam applicator over exterior surfaces and spread it evenly. Let it dry for at least 5 minutes and wipe using a clean and dry quality microfiber towel. It enhances the appearance with a long-lasting shine and protection. It's non-greasy and it's so easy to apply on surface. Try Mac All-Purpose Dressing. First, apply to a clean and dry foam and spread evenly onto the surface. Wipe off excess using a clean and dry microfiber towel. With high durability made rain or shine, it keeps a deep black glossy finish on tires that can easily penetrate on deep small spots on tires. Mac Tire Black is what you're looking for. First, apply to a foam and spread evenly to clean and dry tires. Ensure full sidewall coverage. Then, allow to dry. To add pleasant and long-lasting scents inside your car, the perfect choice is Mac Car Freshener. First, spray inside the car. Recommended to use after cleaning the car. For car solutions, Mac Car Care products are the best choice. So what are you waiting for? Check out the official page of Mac Car Care Solutions and send them a message to order. Contact the nearest distributor near you.